Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, and later on we're going to have some retail sales around 3:30. So it's going to be quite nice. But we saw that the market seems to be uh, reacting very weird because the dollar is getting stronger and stronger, but we see that it's losing some momentum. But I think that has to do with the fundamentals, what's happening on the fundamentals. So I think, let's see, tariffs. I think we had like tariffs or tariff delay or eased. I think Trump yesterday signed some tariffs on countries which charge them custom, whatever. So since he said there will be delay in that, the market actually reacted very nice. The market reacted very nice. So on the economic calendar, you can see that we don't really have much. It's only our retail sales. It seems like the numbers here will be going lower. We will be waiting. If the numbers are going to be quite lower, that will be much better because PPI, the numbers were actually a little bit higher. Core CPI or CPI, you can see everything's just green there to show us that, you know what, the numbers were just positive. But the dollar did not really move according to that because there were a bigger elephant in the room, which is actually tariffs. I think we're going to talk about tariffs this year. If you don't really know them, you will know them. Actually, tariffs is like a government tax on imported products, or let's say goods, right? So let's say if you import certain product from China, they will say, okay, us and China on this certain goods, once it reaches our shores or our country, you will have to pay maybe 10%. You pay that 10% to the state or to the country before it goes to the consumer. So for those companies, for them to make some extra cash or the normal or usual profit, they might add that 15% towards the consumers. So when you buy, you will find that, okay, this thing, it was $15, now it's 20, or let's say maybe now it's $17. So actually the companies will charge extra to cover that tariff. So actually you are, or us consumers, we are the ones who are going to pay for those tariffs, not the state or the country. I hope maybe you understand that that can actually work very good if maybe, for example, let's say there is local manufacturers. Let's say maybe there is people who actually have small brands like which actually they do working clothes, and maybe there is cheaper ones coming from a different country. They might add something there so that they can boost local businesses. Simple as that. So actually, it can work very nice, but not on everything. On everything. So now we are on Euro USD, guys, and I have some very good news for the people who want to try our signals. You can see we now added 1 month, which is $16, and you can see 6 months 48. You can just let me know. Just let me know if you want our signal indicator. It's $150. And 4 months mentorship is $150, so that you can learn, you can be consistent, and you can do your own thing, you see. So now on Euro USD, you can see that the market is actually showing us that it's trying to reverse, because we can see that the dollar or the tariffs are easing up. So I think maybe Trump thought twice about the tariffs. Maybe they advised him that no, man, the tariffs they won't actually work very nice on everything, you see. So, and it seems like the market here reacted very nice, but the thing is, here we have our resistance area. Do you see that? So we expect the market to respect this level, especially maybe during retail sales. Maybe the market will just continue with this downtrend structure. But if the market decides to break out, okay, that will mean that we are no longer on that downtrend. So which means we will start to look for buy positions or uptrend or an uptrend. I hope maybe that makes sense. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's try. My target this year is to reach 10K. And for those who don't know, we resumed with our live stream. So we'll be going on live stream later on. So the best thing that you can do, make sure you smash that notification on so that once I schedule that stream, you will actually see it. You will get the notification. So now we are on Bitcoin. We can see that the market is still flying. The market is still going higher. But what we see here is, I think we're going to get this repetition. Do you see this? Might be the same as this, where the market consolidated several months. I think more than 6 months. So, but the overall structure is it's still on that nice uptrend. So I'm expecting to see the market doing its thing here. So around this support, yes, it can be a very nice buy. But you know what? The market actually overreacted when Trump became the president, when he said he will make sure crypto doesn't really have strict regulation and stuff like that. And it started to go higher. But now it's like people are thinking twice. Do we still have some good news or something? And if maybe there are some good news, we might see Bitcoin going even higher. Or maybe at the moment, people are just taking their profits. We might see maybe a nice reversal, especially for those who bought around this level. I hope maybe that makes sense. I think today we will see, I think it's today or maybe let's say this week. Okay, PP broke out. So it seems like we're going to look for that buy. So there is a meeting between Russia and US, so that will be some very good news. Let's hope that the wars are going to an end and stuff like that. So Gbpusd, we can easily see that, okay, I did not really see this. I checked it yesterday. The market just broke out of this nice structure. Before we had that resistance, the market broke out of that. And we also had this horizontal one, which the market broke out. So which means now we can say, you know what, this is the start of our new trend going higher. Obviously, it means that we're changing from this downtrend. Now we're going on an uptrend. So, but we need to be extra careful. I think I will be updating my people in the group. So this is a very nice structure. Very, very nice structure, by the way. So now let's push to the next one, DXY. I hope maybe you can see here that DXY or dollar index, it's also reversing. It shows us that, you know what, that momentum, that unnecessary momentum, it's now coming to an end. You see that? So we might see the market reaching this level. So which means since the dollar is losing the momentum, we'll see other pairs starting to pick up. And that's what we see. That's what we saw on GBPUSD, EURUSD. They are now gaining some momentum, but we'll have to track this because remember, we have retail sales later on, and we don't really just want to jump then after the market do its thing. But let's hope that is going to be not better than expected or better than estimates, because that will actually give us some reversal. So even on gold, we can see that yes, the market actually still on that nice uptrend, but where we are now, I can say yes, we are overbought. We are still on an uptrend, but can we get in? Nope. I don't think we can just get in. I think the market has to reverse and then we can continue. We know that the dollar, gold is quite stronger, but I think a nice reversal is needed. After this type of moves, we get this nice reversals. Do you see that? So even after this one, we expect a nice reversal. Yes, sometimes the market can even continue going higher, but I think a proper reversal here, it's going to work nice, very, very nice. But at the moment, already the market is quite high, so I'm not gonna risk much on that. So on US30, we can easily see that the overall structure, we are still on that nice uptrend. Let me draw maybe the second one. we can see that the market is still on that nice uptrend, but where we are, especially on US30, the market is still stuck around this resistance. So which means we need to be extra careful when we play around this area, because the market can reverse anytime. You see, the market can still reverse. So we're just waiting for the market to do its thing. Maybe let's say to see that a nice breakout before we jump on that buy. Or maybe the market might reverse. It's possible. But at the moment, we just have these two choices. But as we're waiting for retail sales, at the moment, we can't do much. We just have to wait for those fundamentals to be released, then, which means we will actually check the market later on. Or let's say after the market opens. We don't really have to rush. So now we can see that we've been smashing Nasdaq going higher. So, but at the moment, the market is just playing its playing around there. You can see we also had something like that before. Not really the same, but even here we can see that the market is just consolidating. Someone can be, obviously there are people who are actually going crazy here, thinking that they're missing something. Oh, we're missing something, we're breaking out. Relax. We still have an area that we're supposed to break here. And it seems like the market is going towards that. You see that. So we had this first area that we were supposed to break. And yes, let me maybe just go on 4 hours time frame. You can see that we already broke out of that structure, this one. And guess what? It seems like those news, tariff news, they are actually way too good. So now we have to break this level. You see that? So once we break out of that, obviously we will just continue with that uptrend. There's nothing we can do. But since we are on this resistance, we just need to relax, wait, because we know what to do. We know that once the market breaks out, we will look for that buy above that area. Or maybe the market might end up reversing, but it seems like the market wants to continue going higher. The way I see it, you can see that. So yeah, let me repeat. You can now join our team. Scan that QR code. It will take you straight to my WhatsApp. If you want to test our signals, you can go with $16. If you want to stay with us, you can go with the lifetime. Plus, we have our signal indicator, which is going to just give you non-stop signals. It doesn't expire. It doesn't repaint. It's very accurate. And for only 150, you enjoy that. Or maybe you just want to learn. 4 months, I think it's enough for anyone to learn. So yeah, you will let me know if you want to be part of the team. So now on S&P 500, we can see that, you know what, the market, it is just the same as US30 S&P 500, sorry, US30 Nasdaq 100. The market is towards this resistance. So that is good. That is good, because buying the market around here, it was not really nice, because you won't have that confidence to hold, especially when you are around the center, because you know that the market can reverse anytime. But once we break out here, I think we will be going for new highs, and I'm expecting to see that continues. Or maybe the market will try to reverse. Anything is possible, guys. Especially when someone is watching this, you might think maybe, no, it's not possible for the market to reach that. Hey, just look at this, just look at that. So you can see that it's possible. Just look at this, all that. You can see that, yes, every time once the market goes towards the resistance or the support, they go like aggressive, and the reversal also gets aggressive. Simple as that. So don't get tricked here and think maybe you're supposed to buy. You can just wait, because once the market breaks out here, we also have to maybe wait a little bit before we jump on that buy. So it's not something that is going to just happen instantly. Just, okay, it broke out, let's jump in. No, it's not going to be like that. So yeah, you see on this one, I seriously missed some very nice moves. On German, I seriously missed some very nice moves here. You see, I thought maybe the market was going to give us some very proper reversal there. Just look at that. Just look at that. But you know what? along the way you will miss some. You will get something and you miss some. So once you're focusing on something, you will be missing something, you see. So now on German 40 or 30, you can see that, yeah, the market is still actually aggressively on that nice uptrend. I'm not going to chase that. I'm just waiting for something to happen, something clear to happen before I'm looking for that nice bullish move. Yes, I like what I see. This is aggressive bullish move. And just imagine if we caught all that. But I like the fact that I pointed this uptrend from the beginning. You can see that we've been actually looking for a long-term buy, even though maybe I missed this move here. But yeah, I will catch the other one. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you later on our live session or live stream. Make sure you smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.